Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV10 is only lasting a mere 5 minutes, it's likely that the battery has reached the end of its life. This can happen due to normal wear and tear, and if not addressed promptly, it may lead to further issues or a complete loss of functionality. It's crucial to fix this problem to ensure your vacuum operates efficiently again. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson SV10, and a plastic prying tool. Begin by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged and turned off. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. Once these screws are out, gently use the plastic prying tool to open the casing, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the casing removed, locate the battery. It's usually situated at the bottom of the unit and may be covered by a protective plate. Carefully unscrew any screws securing the battery in place and gently disconnect the battery connector. Make sure to apply a steady force, but not too much, to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once it's free, take your new battery and connect it to the connector, ensuring it's seated properly. Secure the battery with the screws you removed earlier. Remember to check that the cables aren't pinched and everything is aligned correctly before replacing the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully snap the casing back into place and replace the screws to secure it. Finally, give your Dyson SV10 a test run to ensure everything is functioning as it should. To avoid facing this issue again, consider maintaining your vacuum regularly by cleaning the filters and ensuring it doesn't overheat during use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.